So mangoes are my absolutely favorite fruit. I love, love, love mangoes. I live and die by mangoes. I'm originally from South Texas, AKA the Valley, which is super, super literally, I just tell people I'm from South Padre Island, so that way they kind of have an idea of where I'm from, but I'm really not from there, but from, you know, anyways. But as a kid, I would always go to the pulga, or AKA the flea market, when I was a kid with my mom. And we'd always get a mango on a stick, and but as I've gotten older and now I live in San Antonio, finding like authentic mango on a stick is so dang hard. So if y'all know anywhere in San Antonio where I can get a dang mango on a stick, holla at your girl, because I freaking want to know. But I've kind of progressed into dried mango, and I just eat dried mango like I eat boom chicka boom freaking kettle corn. I love it. I can eat a whole bag, and I usually get them at HEB, the kind of like the whole bulk food section. But it's getting more and more expensive every day, I can feel. So today we are going to try to make some homemade dried mango slices. Wish us luck. So I grabbed these 2 mangoes at our local HEB, I want to say maybe about like 2 days ago, but I got them pretty dang ripe. I got them pretty squishy, and currently right now they like completely took over the aroma of our new place. So I feel like now is the perfect time to slice them, skin them, bake them, hopefully make dried mango. Let's see. I honestly have no clue if there's like a rhyme or reason or a science behind it, but from my knowledge, all I'm going to do is, of course, take the skin off, cut it into some slices, and then throw it in the oven for like maybe 2 to 3 hours. Let's see how this will go. should definitely use some non-stick spray or maybe oil. I don't know. We tried to flip them to maybe get the other side all nice and toasty, but that didn't turn out too sexy. So now we're just gonna let them bake on one side and see how that goes. Okay, last and final update. I definitely recommend using some of the non-stick spray, and also highly recommend flipping them over every 30 minutes-ish. And don't just leave them all there for about an hour and 30 because, well, we got some crispy ones in here. Either way, I'm excited. They're cooling off. I'm excited to try them, to taste them. They're definitely 10 times better than our super expensive ones in bulk by HEB and the ones I get at TJ Maxx and whatever. I'm excited. Homemade dried mangoes. It's awesome.